In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your website traffic using Hostinger Website Builder. Tracking and analyzing the traffic to your website is crucial to understanding your audience and improving your site's performance. By gaining insights into how visitors interact with your website, you can make informed decisions to drive growth and achieve your online goals. Let's dive in and discover how to access these important analytics. To get started, you'll need to visit the Hostinger dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger main page at hpanelhostinger.com. Once you're there, you might need to log in using your Hostinger account credentials, if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home page, which serves as your central hub for all Hostinger services. Next, look for the Websites section on your Hostinger dashboard. You'll notice a list of websites associated with your Hostinger account. Click on Dashboard. This is where you can manage and configure your websites. The dashboard is user-friendly and intuitively guides you to various tools and settings you can use to manage your website efficiently. Once you're in the dashboard of your specific website, you'll need to navigate your way to the Analytics section. To do this, simply find and click on the option labeled Analytics. This section is where you'll find all the traffic data associated with your website. Now that you're in the Analytics section, it's time to explore the wealth of information available to you. Here you can view detailed statistics about your visitors, such as the number of visits your site receives, the sources of your website traffic, and even the duration of sessions on your site. Each metric provides valuable insights into your audience's behavior and engagement with your content. As you review this data, take note of any patterns or trends. For example, peaks in traffic might coincide with specific marketing campaigns or content releases. Similarly, monitor which traffic sources are most effective, whether it be from search engines, social media platforms, or direct visits. Understanding these aspects will help you tailor your strategies to both capitalize on successes and address any areas needing improvement. In conclusion, consistently checking your website traffic on Hostinger allows you to monitor your site's health and strategize future growth effectively. By leveraging these insights, you can enhance your website's reach and performance, ultimately leading to a more engaging experience for your audience. Thank you for watching this guide. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.